Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Angela Spangler, and this is Mod 4's discussion questions about Medtronic. I hope everybody's doing okay during this very interesting time in our history. So Medtronic decided they wanted to design a product for a lot of Chinese patients who would otherwise not receive a pacemaker or another piece of machinery that would help them live a normal life. The first question was, how could this company encourage their employees to take initiative? How can they make a profit? And how can they be ethically and socially responsible? Well, a big way to make your employees take initiative or to give them that opportunity is to give them a why. Let them know exactly what the end goal is and to give them an opportunity to be a part of that. Give them rewards and incentives to work hard. Give them rewards for being creative, giving them that opportunity. Make them a part of the success. Once, if there's a success with this product, make sure the employees feel like they were a part of that and give them the credit that they deserve for that. The mission of Medtronic can be found at the website that's linked in the PowerPoint. They had 6 bullet points to their mission, so they definitely had a lot of different aspects to that. One of them was to make a fair profit, and they did mention fair because they want to make sure that they do the right thing most of the time. This benefits the shareholders of the company because, of course, profit is what shareholders want to see. Another bullet point of their mission statement is employees are made to feel like they're a part of the success of the company. They feel secure in their work, and so that gives them the freedom to be creative and to solve problems that they see whenever they're designing these products. Patients in China will definitely benefit from Medtronic's mission because Medtronic really wants to help people. That's a part of their mission as well. They saw a need in China to be able to develop these machines, pacemakers, and things like that because people were not receiving a lot of these machines because they didn't have the money. Either the person in China had a lot of money and they were able to afford whatever they wanted, or they were too poor to afford even basic necessities, and to afford a machine like this would give them definitely a good quality of life to live out the rest of their life in relative freedom. They decided to design and build this low-priced product, this Champion pacemaker, to be able to give a lot of people an opportunity to have this machinery, this piece of machinery, to help them live a better life. As far as the marketing standpoint, a strength for them there in China was there's a huge need for this product in the country. The physicians and the medical community were already looking for something like this, and so all Medtronic had to do was basically provide it. A weakness of that, though, is whenever you start to provide low-cost products, that's the expectation for everything. You're always expected to be able to provide low-cost products, no matter what it is. And as far as from an ethical standpoint, a strength, of course, for them is, they're seen as a great company who's willing to help out, but a weakness of that is also they're also held to a higher standard, and there's a lot of pressure there to make sure that they're always on their best behavior, I guess you could say, and that they, always perform to that standard. All right, and I think that's it. Thank you very much.